Hello everyone, I'm here to teach you Python programming, and the topic we are going to treat in Python programming this time around is median. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the all notification button. So let's start. Now we are going to learn how to make use of statistics module in Python programming. If you want to know about statistics module, you can visit my YouTube channel and watch my previous video. This time around, I'm treating statistics median. So let's start. Before you start working on statistics median, you have to import the module first. Okay, let me use the comments. Let me use the comment section. Hashtag import statistics. Let's say import statistics. Mhm. All right. Then let's import the statistic import statistics. So after that, then we have to create the numerical list we want to use in the statistics. So we can come here and say li assign aha. Let's say uh 3, 4, 2, and 7. Okay, now I want to get the median height of this particular list. And come here, put MH, which means median height. Assign statistics dot median height. Okay, we put this inside there. Then after that, we have to print the value out. We need to print the value out. So we can come here and put print or print mh. So now you print the value called mh. Now let us go to our command prompt to bring out that value we just printed out. You can come here, come to the command prompt here. You don't just find you can use the command prompt from your Visual Studio terminal, but I prefer using this command prompt over here. I prefer using this one because it's very easy for me. You can use any one you like. You can use from your Visual Studio Code. So I'll just come here and type my py test.py. So the py is to execute the Python file, while the PyTest is the file, is the Python file itself. So after typing this, hit your enter key. Now to bring out the value, then it will scan the media value for you from according to this particular VS code here. It is going to scan this particular li, which is the list value here. It's going to scan it for you. I'm doing that and give you the final result. Okay, you can see from our value here, our pi, our command one gives us 4 as the high median value. So if you observe this particular median value, we have types of the median value here. This is the even number median value, because if you check, we have 3, 4, 2, and 7, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the odd median value. So let us go with let us go with the odd median value. This is even median value. Let's go with odd median value. So I come here and let's say we go with 3, 4, 2 here. We go with 3, 4, 2. So let's come back here and go to our command prompt. Type the same command py spacebar py test.py. Hit the enter key. Now let us get our median value for the odd number. If you want, the odd number median value here is 3. from this our particular list here is 3. Our median high value from this odd number here is 3 for this particular value. You can see that the median value works in two ways. Median value works in even number and in odd number. Even number, I mean, is when you count the number of when you count the length of the numbers in the list, we are going to see 1, 2, 3. This is odd number in the list. Then our previous example, when you count the number in the list, we have 3, 4, 2, 7, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4. You can see that the result for the first one and the second one, they are never the same. This one gives us 4 and this one gives us 3. So thank you and God bless you. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the all notification button if you want to become a Python guru. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.